Is your desktop feeling sluggish? Does it struggle with demanding games or memory-intensive applications? The ATEC 64GB DDR5 RAM kit might be the upgrade you need. This kit comes with two 32GB modules, operating at a speedy 5,200 MHz. That's PC 541600 territory for those keeping score. It's a DDR5 DIMM 288-pin and designed for desktops and workstations. Installation is surprisingly easy. No need to be a tech wizard, just pop them in and you're good to go. The modules are non-ECC unbuffered, which is standard for most consumer desktops. They're also dual rank, which can sometimes offer a slight performance edge. The real benefit here is the massive increase in memory. 64GB is a sweet spot for many users, providing ample headroom for multitasking, content creation, and even some light server duties. The 5,200 MHz speed helps to keep things snappy, reducing bottlenecks and improving overall system responsiveness. It operates at the JEDEC standard 1.1V, so power consumption shouldn't be a major concern. ATEC also backs these modules with a limited lifetime warranty, which is always reassuring. It shows they have confidence in their product. While it's not the fastest DDR5 on the market, the ATEC 64GB kit strikes a good balance between performance, capacity, and price. If you're looking to breathe new life into your desktop without breaking the bank, this is a solid option. It's a noticeable upgrade that makes everyday tasks feel smoother and more responsive. A worthwhile investment for anyone serious about performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.